अच्छा, मंडे में इंटरव्यू आ गया आपका? अरे भाई,
Yes, sir.
ओ गॉड, गुड. मंटू अंसारी, कैन यू प्लीज टेल अबाउट योर नेटिव प्लेस?
Sir, I am from Saran district of Bihar. Two village away from my town, there is a village called Jiradei. It is the birthplace of first president of India, that is Mr. Rajendra Prasad. After that, there is a place called Sonpur. It is known for the largest cattle fair in Asia.
Good.
That's all I
Yeah.
remember.
Can you tell us as a few points about your family?
So starting with my family, we have five members in my family. My father, my mother, and my two elder sisters. My father was the Indian Army, and my mother is a housewife. And my first
Hmm.
elder sister is have done B.Ed, and second one is working in Infosys as a technical engineer
Good.
or a system engineer.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good. Now, what is the degree you did, Mantu?
Sir, I have done my bachelor's in business administration.
Oh, BBA. Good, good, good.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Now, um, can you please tell us what do you understand by an agent? Who is an agent? I am
Sir,
not talking about LIC agent. Normal definition of an agent.
agent act as an intermediary between the customer and the companies.
Hmm.
ए, वो सर बहुत सारी कंपनियों के बेस्ट पिचेस आप कस्टमर को देता है ताकि वो सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो उसको कौन सा इंश्योरेंस चाहिए।
नो नो, हम तो बोला है
और
आपको
उल्टा
LIC एजेंट हम नहीं बोलते हैं. खाली एजेंट का डेफिनेशन क्या है? बिकॉज आपने तो BBA पढ़ा है. एजेंट किसको बोलते हैं?
इंटरमीडिएट को बोलते हैं सर जो
नहीं,
पर्सन।
नो नो. एजेंट is a representative of the principal. एक आदमी ये is appointing B to act as an agent on his behalf, and whatever B does on behalf of A will be binding Mr. A. Do you follow?
यस सर।
Can you tell me what is the definition of a sole proprietor firm?
तो सिंगल ओनर ऑफ दैट कंपनी और फर्म।
Good, excellent. Then what makes you think LIC AAO job is more suitable for Montu?
Sir, because of my strength and my education qualification, I am the perfect or a suitable candidate for this job. I would like to add my strength. My strength include self-motivated, adaptability, and quick learner. I will like to add example from my life to prove my strength. Self-motivated. In the span of 1.5 or 2 years, I have appeared for more than 20 exams, but I still didn't give up, and now I'm in front of you giving the interview of LIC AAO.
Good.
Talking about the adaptability, since my father had a moving job, so I am suitable with adapting the environment in which I will be posted. And third one is quick learner. After 12th, since I'm a PCM in my 12th,
Mm.
so I've switched from a science background to a commerce. So it's a bit difficult for me to catch the basics. So, but I
Mm.
have done that and I've scored 80% in
Mm.
commerce or a BBA in BBA, my course.
Mhm.
That's all
Uh,
I
yeah.
said.
Mm. Yeah. Next question is like this. Um, what is the difference between role of AAO and ADO?
In double A, I will be heading the department depending upon the availability in the branch office or divisional office where I will be posted. I will be heading departments like policy servicing, a new business, or claim department in
Mm.
the early stage of my career. While as ADO work is related to hiring the agents और उनसे काम निकलवाना होता है. That's all. उनको proper train करना है. Yes, sir. That's all I have.
Yeah, very good,
said.
very good, very good. Next point. Which role is more important for LIC? AAO को role important है और ADO को role important है. Which one is more important?
Sir, double AO because administration is a tough fish to crack और सबकी बस की बात नहीं.
But ADO is also important ना. बिना वो पॉलिसी ले आने से तो आपको काम होगा, नहीं होने से आपको क्या काम होगा बताओ.
सर पॉलिसी तो डिजिटली भी सेल हो सकती है ना सर. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन डिजिटली थोड़ी हो सकता है. लोगों को इकट्ठा मतलब एज अ टीम वर्क करना.
अच्छा अच्छा ना. फिर भी I would request you to maintain a stand. Both are important because
okay, sir,
yeah, you know अभी हम पूछ रहे हैं आपको कार में steering is important or wheel is important.
Okay, sir.
Both are important.
Okay, sir. I will note that point.
Hmm.
I thought I am preparing for WO, so I should choose WO rather than ID.
Good.
But I have to change that mindset. Both
Yeah.
are important.
Yeah. Now, who is the chairman of IRDAI? And tell me what
Yes.
are the functions of IRDAI?
Thus, can I start from the beginning when it was formed or
Yeah,
just
yeah. No. First, tell me the name of chairman. Then functions of. Amara question है Kali functions. I am not asking history.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. Sir, chairman is Debasis Panda, and IRDI function include promoting the competition in the market. It is the insurance regulator in India. It help in adjudication of disputes, promote the interest and right of policyholder, increase the process of claim settlement, act as an intermediary between the customer or company.
But whatever you say, you have to tell. Most important point is taking care of the interest of the customers.
Okay, sir.
Taking care of the interest of the consumer. This point you have to tell.
Mention.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, next point is how many life insurance companies are there in our country?
It's 26.
How many general insurance companies are there in our country?
34.
Pardon?
34.
Yeah. Good. Very good. What is the difference between life insurance and general insurance? Which is important for an individual?
Sir, I think life insurance provide cover during a particular time. If you died between that time, your family or your financial belonging will get the money. That's why.
But you are not. You tell me what is the difference between life insurance and general insurance?
In life insurance, it is insurance about the life, and while in general insurance, its insurance include motor insurance, fire insurance, marine insurance, and all other than life insurance.
Motor vehicle insurance, then flood insurance. But you have to specifically say life insurance covers the risk of the life of a human being, of an individual. Whereas general insurance covers the risk arising out of other activities like say flood, fire, then burglary, etc. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Good. Can you tell me about the LIC policies you can remember and their main features of them?
Yes, sure. First one is Jeevan Azad, table number 868. Policy term include 15 to 20 years. Premium paying term is policy term minus ATR. It is a non-linked, non-participating individual saving life insurance plan. A minimum entry age is 90 days and maximum entry age is 50 days.
What is
Minimum age at
what is the name of this policy?
Jeevan Azad,
Jeevan
table
Azad.
number 868.
Okay.
And
Then
its maturity, minimum maturity is 18 years, maximum maturity is 70 years, minimum sum assured 2 lakh, maximum sum assured 5 lakh, no medical examination up to 3 lakhs. डेथ बेनिफिट मिलता है सर इसमें, और सरेंडर वैल्यू और लोन मिलता है 2 साल के बाद, और ये पॉलिसी 80C और 1010D में तुम्हें टैक्स बेनिफिट देती है.
but what is your age now?
22.
You are such a small boy. How are you going to manage a group of people working with you in LIC? How will you manage the, say, assistants who are working under you and deal with ADO, DO and all that? Are you competent to do that?
Yes, sir, I am competent to do that. I am good with empathizing with people and creating a good working environment, so they think that as a belonging, sense of belongingness is there. I'm good with maintaining that.
Good. Who decides about premium of insurance policies?
Actuaries.
Can you tell me what is the principle of insurance? What is the concept of insurance?
Well, I have to tell the 7 principle of insurance, right?
No. I'm not asking about that 7 principles of insurance.
You are
I'm asking you science of insurance.
Basically, definition you are asking, sir.
Yeah, not definition.
What
way insurance is working? Insurance is a science. Explain.
Sir, when peril strike, there is uncertainty, which is called risk. And in order to manage that risk, there are 4 ways. One way of that is transfer. This transfer of risk is basically insurance.
But I think you have not seen the video I have posted yesterday. It also
a boy with a red t-shirt, I think.
No, not that one.
Video.
I'm talking about a video. I only talked. I was telling about
7 minutes.
Is it a 7 minutes one? 6 minutes, 6.41. It is
Yes, sir.
telling how it is a science.
Okay, I will watch that. I have watched for 15 to 30 seconds, I guess.
Now, how it is a science? I
will go through that, sir.
Just a minute. Yeah, 1 minute. क्यों इसमें साउंड नहीं आता है? ADO interview itself. Candidates. A candidate is told, he was asked in ADO interview itself, what is science of insurance? I expect this question in our AO also. What is science of insurance? Is a very important question. and it is also known as actuarial science. Yeah, it is also known as actuarial science. So, you know, there is a degree program conducted for actuarial science, and it is a discipline so insurance, that actuarial science is a discipline that applies mathematical and statistical methods to assess risk in insurance, finance, and other industries. Finance and other industries. Okay. Yeah. Finance. Yeah. Actuaries participate in high-level business decision making and solve real problems in every industry. It is an all-rounded profession as it offers good employment prospects, job security, growth opportunity, and salary benefits. Actuarial science uses mathematics, statistics, and probability principles to anticipate future events and take preventive measures. Actuaries analyze past data and use the information to determine how much money should be set aside to cover the financial losses which could occur in the future. It is important for companies to evaluate risks, especially those associated with finance, insurance, and related fields. Calculating risks such as evaluation of employees according to their age bar involves complex mathematical calculations. Actuaries help in proper financial planning for the company's future. So, for this question, you can answer like this. Insurance is a science. It is an actuarial science where experts, they study and tell or the extent of risk in this business, and accordingly they will set aside the required amount for meeting the risks out of this insurance. So the premium setting, etc., is based on the, say, calculation. What is the birth, at what age people die, like that. So many calculations are taking place, and so that is what is science of insurance. Now let me tell you in Hindi. एक कैंडिडेट को एडीओ इंटरव्यू में क्वेश्चन पूछा था, व्हाट इज द साइंस ऑफ इंश्योरेंस. इस क्वेश्चन को आंसर ये है, साइंस ऑफ इंश्योरेंस इज एन एक्चुअरियल साइंस जहां द एक्सपर्ट्स कैलकुलेट करते हैं रिस्क को, कितना रिस्क होगा, उसके लिए कितना पैसा हम लोग अलग रखना पड़ेगा, ये सब सोच के कितना कमीशन प्रीमियम चार्जिंग करना पड़ेगा, ये सब डिसाइड करेगा ये science of insurance. So this is what it is. Now let me tell you so this much will do for you now. Stop sharing. Good. So now next question, why are you not watching the videos I am posting? Am I posting for myself? आप लोग देखने से तो फायदा होगा. अच्छा, now last question for you. Please tell me the 7 principles of insurance.
Principle of insurable interest, principle of indemnity, principle of utmost good faith, principle of loss minimization, principle of subrogation. I think I have forgot one or two.
Principle of contribution.
Principle of contribution.
Yeah, last question. What are your hobbies and how it will suit this job?
Sir, in my free time in recent days, I am spending time with my family. And second one is I like to play chess. So from chess, I have that analytical skills which will help in my job. And from my family, I have a sense of belongingness. So I will create a good and healthy working environment.
Good. Best wishes. And did you go through the newspapers?
सर 2 ही पेज पढ़ा है सर, अभी 2 दिन से तबीयत खराब है तो वही बेड रेस्ट पे हुआ.
What is the name of the person who has been appointed as the new Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank of India?
I haven't read that.
Swaminathan Janaki Raman.
Swaminathan Janaki Raman.
Who has been appointed as the Chief of RAW?
Raw. He is
Ra-
an IPS.
Yeah,
I think its name start with R. I don't remember his full name.
Ravi Sinha.
Ravi Sinha.
Which company has been awarded Gandhi Peace Prize 2021?
गीता करके सर वो पब्लिकेशन है. गीता गोरखपुर पब्लिकेशन 1923 में एस्टेब्लिश हुई थी. 3 लोगों ने एस्टेब्लिश करी थी. जयदयाल और हनुमान प्रसाद. इसमें
Good,
1 करोड़ का प्राइज मिलता है और साइटेशन मिलता है. तो 1 करोड़ का प्राइज उन्होंने ठुकरा दिया था अभी.
good. Which is the longest day of the year? Which date?
I don't. Maybe it is in August.
21 June 2021.
International Yoga Day.
Longest day.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Our Prime Minister visited which country on International Yoga Day?
Sir, Prime Minister meeting is scheduled from 21 June to 24 June in USA.
Very good.
Alongside with that, Mr. Jaishankar and Ajit Doval is with him also.
One more minister is also, he is on foreign tour. He is in America now. Who is that person?
I don't remember, sir. Can you tell me?
Nirmala Sitharaman.
Finance Minister भी गए हैं.
She is attending that. There is one program, FATA something, FATF some program. She is attending that.
But I haven't sent and I haven't seen any tweet from.
कागज में है जी, कागज में है.
है. मैंने ट्वीट नहीं देखा सर. अभी तो मेरे को लगा नहीं गई.
FATFA, that is an organization which is taking care of anti-terrorism and also money laundering and all that.
FATF.
FATFA, I think so. I'm not very clear, yes, but dekh lijiye. Best wishes. Thank you.
Sir, I have to ask 1 or 2 questions if you are free.
Yeah. Just I'll close this.